Hi, hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome all of y'all for a very good morning, and welcome for an all of y'all for a morning session. So this is our day two of our grade 11.5 ICT Express session, and happy to see all of y'all. Okay, especially on this morning hours, those who all have joined. If especially if there are non-Muslim students, those who are in the classroom, hats off to all of y'all. Thank you for joining this session in terms of getting a kind of a knowledge from you. So in this series, okay, we have decided on our day two classroom of discussing, okay, lesson based revision with you guys. So in here, we are planning on today's classroom to cover up a lesson which is slightly being difficult, slightly or medium or large. It can be from the medium to large, okay, and again, a kind of a slightly difficult lesson, okay, where many of the students feel it difficult in terms of okay understanding, and that lesson is known as programming. Okay, so or else in other words, Pascal so why this lesson is difficult? Okay, I was doing a small research yesterday. Okay, was doing a full redesign of the tute. Okay, that's why I couldn't upload it in there, and then wanted to pitch where students feel it difficult. Okay, so what are the major sections of programming? Why it's going to be difficult for you all? So how can we tackle it? And okay, how can we approach programming questions, especially in your MCQs? So today's classroom, in overall, okay, as a nutshell, we will be learning on how to do programming questions. So I'll be going from A to Z, scratching it. So this program is completely free. Okay, you can invite any of your friends. I know since it's a morning hour, some of y'all do have school, some of y'all are not able to join in there, but still, okay, these sessions are being recorded and recordings will be uploaded in our respective groups. So you can either join through my personal group or through Team Maestro. We will be sharing you the recordings too. Okay, so in this manner, for the entire month of March and also April, okay, I have decided to do a couple of free classes for you guys in terms of getting and obtaining all sorts of knowledge in there. So this session is not only stick to our students, completely open for all the students in there. So the only thing that you can do it as a terms of charity or as a help for your friend to share this link and make them also okay gain this education in there. Not only that, lots of free classes are going on in these days. Okay, from Team Maestro, Max Science, Literature, Commerce, okay, ICT, and then we do have also Singular. Okay, so those subjects are going as a free education package. You all can do join across all the subjects in there. If you all have do time in that, if you all feel weak in there, definitely hit a join that link and also join throughout in there. Not only that, our King sir, okay, also started 1,000 MCQs if I'm correct. Okay, do join there also. Pull on the free classes, but let me also know. I will share these in our groups so that someone will be getting benefit from somewhere. Okay, so that's the main motive in there. Okay, it's like okay, what is that? That's not really important in it. So in the month of March, okay, this is the day two of our Ramadan too also, and that is the day two of our classroom. Nice. So I already have shared you the PDF in our WhatsApp group. Okay, a PDF you can download करना but just a normal reference later if you all wanted, you all can take printouts in there. That's completely fine in it. Good. Right. Hope all of y'all are ready. Can we have a thumbs up quickly? A chat or else whatever the reaction. Thumbs up or something. Okay. Why we are going with thumbs up? Okay. You do whatever the sign you all have. Okay. Okay. Nice. Happy. Good. Nice. So many of you all requested me to do the merit papers also, especially for online students. You all don't get this chance of doing our merit papers. Okay, physical class students do get a chance. They go through the discussion. Do you all want me to do the discussion of the merit papers also? I'm already doing it in 3 batches. Make a fourth batch. Okay, Natang, shall I share you the paper and the scheme? Farhan, welcome, Farhan. Okay, Farhan, next time you stay for the discussion and go. Okay, I'll send you the timetable too. Okay, cool. Share the paper and the scheme. That's completely fine. Okay, discussion of Pulwanandana. I'll also upload the scheme. I'll share you the scheme and the the paper. Okay, so my paper okay. Merit paper 16. Okay, I'll upload it in there. Do the paper, and tonight I will upload the scheme also. But if you want it, get it corrected. Okay, I'll also share it in our. You can also send it to our team. So there is a separate team, dedicated team for you all to clear your doubts. So in these oval times, when you guys get stuck in a couple of subjects, especially in ICT, okay, we have a set of students. Okay, we have a set of team. Okay, especially we call it as the team maestro. Okay, and AK, you all can do. Can join the group. Okay, so sorry, you all can DM them and get whatever the help you all wanted from any way. Okay, these people will be helping you all, supporting you all in terms of obtaining and clearing your doubts. So how to join the group? Okay, so we have I will share you my WhatsApp group in there. So people who are not in a WhatsApp group, this is our WhatsApp group link. Okay, and then we have a dedicated team support. Okay, for you all to clear your doubts. So doubt clearance letter, we have a dedicated team. Okay, एक link है दान दौरी put back in there. Yeah, that's we called as a dedicated team is there. Okay, we have kept for you all to clear all your doubts. Okay, and a team nice. So this is the contact number of them. So make it save Kalatiyaganda. This is a separate okay team for y'all to clear your doubts. It doesn't need to be IC Riyas students. We are helping everyone. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Nice. Okay, so let's begin with programming. So if I ask you the first question, okay, you'll have learned programming maybe from me or maybe from somewhere else. It doesn't matter. But the question is, okay, you all might have tried. I wanted this water bottle. I should be not. My mother's bottle. Okay, this is nice. Okay, I want something to keep it. Okay, so okay, question is okay, if you guys have done programming, okay, my question is why is it difficult for you all to understand? Just like honest opinion in there. So this is okay. Yeah, if I keep the water bottle, I'll be drinking it. But remind me. Okay, so if you all guys are doing programming questions, why? Where you all make it mistake? Kohi to owl karana tha na. So this is the place, sir. Okay, Shekha says it's exam paper, sir. Okay, I have to memorize the keywords. Okay, what is it? What is it? Why is it? It's not difficult, but when it comes to loop, only it gets upset. Nice, Farhan, good. Okay, loop is a issue. Okay, it comes in there. Second one is theory ekai exam questions are totally two different set. Like okay, confusion between the Pascal and the pseudocode. Nice, good. Okay, Razin, I didn't know even programming. Either other than the Razin than it. Razin, can you give me a quick update whether is this that is you that and this and that? They were me. Okay, sir, Nadet answer. Razin, I hope you're not laughing no right now. So didn't study at all. I know it is easy somehow, but in the end of the session, for sure. Okay. Shafia, ice butter and everything. Pascal is confusing. Good, nice. Okay. Now, in overall, okay, as far I get when I get this one of the kind of feedbacks from you guys, thank you for replying there, especially to just to get an idea. Okay. Many students feel in terms of difficult, okay, especially in terms of difficult when they okay, especially in terms of Python out. Number one is understanding the logic, okay, so meaning the loop part taker, that if and else. Okay, why did we put this x equal one? What the hell are we doing it in there? Okay, and theory kai when you compare with the papers, totally different. Okay, theory kai papers are totally different in there. So I will be teaching you all okay the main basic structures. Okay, and then we'll start to learn with papers. That's how we are going to do it. Okay, so I have an entire summary of the tute. If you all have gone through in there, tute take fully, okay, complete tute is there. What I can hey, hi, you can see me. Put back in there. Oh, hey, Zoom has lots of updates. Hi. Yeah, it has awesome updates. See, you see me in terms of a very biblical way. It's very ugly. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Focus is very important, sir. Focusing is important, sir. I can. Okay. Nice. Nice. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Kung Fu Panda படிக்கிறேன்ப்பா. Nice. I think this is good. Hi. Yeah, you can see me. Nice. Okay. ஆனா தலையில அரவாசி தலை. That's the most. Hi. Yeah. That sounds good. Okay. Now why the hell I'm doing these things, I don't know. Okay. Okay. Nice. This is good. No. Mm. Okay. So you have small good images in there. Okay. None. Okay. What happens is when I'm sharing the recording, I can a side now. So you know it's good. Okay. It's in the same screen. Okay. I hope. Okay, today only I updated it. Okay, the interesting part is today only I updated Zoom. Okay, I didn't update it. It made me to update it. Then only I saw lots of features has been included. Okay, okay, nice, nice. See, I got a beautiful message from one student. Okay, sir, sir, உங்களுக்கு Zoom features test பண்ண வேற it's a feeling you won't understand. Okay, nice. Good. So, what are we going to do it in here? Okay, so in programming, so this is a very short, summarized tute of, or else a summarized short note in terms of programming. Okay, I will be giving you all in web development also. I will give you all in Excel also. I will also give you all in terms of internet and email. So, listen, stick it among. I'll be providing you all with this. With this short series in there. Now, first thing is make you can't do questions. Okay, but we have to understand it very carefully. So I want you guys to have entire focus in there. Yes, you all have learned programming again and again. No problem in there. Today we are learning. Okay, we are learning in a fun way. We have some activities also. This session will go till 8:30 when. Okay, maybe if you all wanted, I'll also do a dual session today. So morning ekai evening eka karanna. Okay, in terms of helping you guys, okay, on getting you all exam stuff. So today we'll make sure that all of you all study in proper way. So the only rule I wanted you all is give your focus in there. Obviously you can't study in a bed or something. Right? Come to a place, okay, sit and study in terms in it. It a passe ask questions. Okay, if you tell not to give them I didn't explain message okay. That's the easy way. Okay, and then after completing it, if you are messaging, you will be not able to understand. Good. Well, Azim, you have sent database. I didn't understand database. Database, I shared you to you, no? Okay, let's go through in there. Programming is basically a type of a language, okay, a language that we are going to learn, like Sinhala Tamil English, which used to communicate with the computer and tell the computer what to do. That's what programming is all about. Simply, we use ChatGPT. We tell in English, saying that I wanted a letter written. I wanted an article, I wanted a recipe, I wanted some set of steps. So simply you tell the computer what to do, and those what to do are known as instructions. So programming language can create softwares, okay, which can make the computer do a particular task. That's what programming language is all about. We are learning a language like Sinhala, Tamil, English, Urdu, Malayalam, whatever in that. Okay, a new language. Right. May have a language game. If you come across the accent, the way they talk, the type of commands they are going to use, it is different. Okay. So from one language to another language, the way they are going to express, okay, the way the accent, the wordings are going to be different, obviously. But okay, what they're going to talk is same. Alinsha. Did you get it? Did you get the idea? Okay. In terms of monarchy and way in programming languages, the contents, the wording, okay, it's Sinhala, Tamil, Malayalam, or Urdu, whatever. Ab use the word venas, but the idea is same. Okay, I'm hungry, pasikidi, okay, mata baragini, tum pyar karta hai. All are same. Okay, yeah, all are same. Telling that I'm hungry. Okay, Hindi la martam pateri. Okay, so same concept. Okay, the same thing which I wanted to express to you, but in different languages in India. So did you all get in there? So tum pyar karta hai, I'm hungry. எனக்கு பசிக்குது, I'm hungry. I'm hungry, I'm hungry. Yako mada barengi ni bang. Okay, I'm hungry. Now, sir, don't tell that hungry word, sir. I'm getting literally hungry, sir. Okay. So that's the same thing in there. So language is simply a way of communicating. So don't confuse in there. So more than what we have to learn, the concept. Okay. How are we going to communicate? Not the language, the communication part we come across in. Okay. Razeen, what is this, Razeen? Talking about shitty things in the Ramazan season itself. PR love the nenapalering as in okay, always very notorious. Okay, yeah. See, always thinking about love and stuff. Okay, right. So as I said, you all, the solution part, not the coding, the solution part is what it's going to be, and that we call it as algorithms. Algorithms are step-by-step solution to solve a given problem. So algorithms can be in terms of okay, you can represent in terms of a coding language called pseudocode. You can represent in terms of flowchart as diagrams, or you can represent your algorithm as a programming language called Pascal. So you can represent your algorithm using simple English terms, using diagrams, or using a selected programming language. Right? So language will go with this. So when you're developing your algorithm, the solution, okay, to a programming problem, we come across three concepts: sequence, selection, and repetition. Sequence you go step by step. You complete a step, you go to another step. You complete that step, you go to another step. So completing the program step by step, completing the problem to the solution step by step, we call it as what? Okay, sequence. So 1, step 2, step 3. So this may be the problem. So you have to go through one by one in finding the solution. So pseudocode kiligyanne, you write the solution in simple words. A programming is basically a solution, and that solution is known as algorithm. Okay, a programming is basically a solution or a set of instruction that used to perform a certain task on a computer. You code it. Okay, calculator is done by programming. So in there we have three types: pseudocode, flowcharts, and Pascals. P code pseudocode short form liyanna. Okay, right? So in that, when you write in terms of pseudocode, it's using simple English terms. If you draw using flowcharts, it's diagram. Pascal languages. Make the basics. Okay, I don't want to go much in deep. This is sequence. You can structure your program as sequence, one by one by one. Simple as it is. You can structure your programming solution one by one by one. That's we call as sequence. Second one, we do have selection. Again, when you are coding, you can have it in terms of selection too. In selection, what we do it is, we have a choice. Okay, is it A or B? Trisha, Nayantra, Mountain, okay, let's go through a quick rapo. Okay, I'll ask you two things. You are going to reply with me. Okay, I'll ask you two choices. You'll have to say one by one. Okay, is this okay? Is it Paripuade or Unduade? You can write it in short words, no problem. Okay, two choices I'm giving it to you all. Paripuade or Unduade? Paripuade. Okay, Ulunduade. Okay, is it mountain or beach? Okay. Is it Trisha or Nayantara? Okay. Is it Fatima or Khatija? Razeen, very notorious guy. Nazeen is going for the option. Okay. Both kill no. Of your option on Razeen. Okay. Nice. Now, okay. Is it A or B? I don't know, sir. Okay. Right. Did you see it in there? There is a choice. Meaning, for this problem, how many solutions are there? Now, in sequence, how many solutions we had it? Only one solution. Okay. But in selection, how many solutions do we have? Two solutions are there, and the user can select either one of them. If you select A, is it wrong? No. If you select B, is it wrong? Still not. So, okay, in selection, we come across under if and else statement. If and else, there is a choice. So we have the problem. Okay, we have the problem. And then there is a choice. Either yes or either no. So that this problem condition. We come across a condition. Okay. In this condition, we have two solutions. Either we say solution A, solution number 1, or solution number 2. Make it if and else killer. Okay, if and else killer, which means I can write it like this. If condition, I'm just putting a bracket. You can use the word then, because in Pascal coding we use this keyword called then, and we say solution number 1. So obviously yes is if. Yes se if. If it's yes, what is the opposite? If it's yes, what is the opposite? That's no. If ke opposite take else. So therefore this is if condition. Else you don't need to say the condition, because why? It's the opposite. No, we say here solution number 1. Solution number, what is the solution number here? What is the solution number? Solution number 2. So focus here. Nice. So did you all get the idea? So you have a problem, okay, and I asked you a solution, asking you all, okay, there are two solutions in it, A and B, okay, and then if and else. Simple. Did you all get it idea? So focus here, right? We are learning programming. Maybe this is the last chance. Okay, there might be paid sessions also. You might join for programming and learn in there. But then, okay, value this session too. Okay, even though if it's free, quality is not low. Okay, it's part standard. Right? So make it a focus it will be difficult. Nice. So did you get the idea? So if and else, we have two choices in there. Now, in here, you always have two choices in life. No, right? There will be multiple choices in there. Now, for an example, in yesterday's, okay, for your iftar, what are the number of food items you all had? You all might had patties, you all might had rolls, you all might have spindles, okay, you all might have bun. Sir, podum sir, list romba persa podu sir. Okay, pizza, kebab, okay, if you come across in there, hold on. Okay, and you might be going through. If the chat is disturbing, let me know. Okay, I have made it open so that you can interact and okay chat in there. Okay, but but if the chat is open and if it's disturbing others, let me know. I'll turn off the chat, so you will be not able to message anyone. Okay, but I just keep it in there so that you can ask doubts, clear it out. Put it in there, joke, no problem in there, but don't and so on, disturb others. Okay, right. So you might have kept lots of choices. So if you have only two choices, we come across with if and else. But what if you have multiple choices? We go for the nested if and else. Nested okay, you have multiple choices. Okay, nested you all have multiple choices in there. Example, okay, this is the if and else statement. Nested what it's like this. Nested if and else. Okay, nested in the sense you come across a problem, and for this problem you come across a condition. When you have, usually you have two. What is it? Yes and no. So you have either yes, that is the if statement. You have no, that is the else statement. So if is the yes, else is the no. But then you have more choices. If the condition is yes, you can again further divide it and say it is yes and no. Again, after this yes, you can put a condition and say yes and no. Because whenever you come across a condition, you have two choices, either yes or either no. Or else, in other words, either if or either else. Did you all understand? So the branch is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. So where the user has now how many choices? One, two, three choices are there. How many solutions do you have? Three solutions. Solution number one, solution number two, solution number three. Did you all get it? The Meva gamer, you can also go in the no side also. Now this is the yes side में आप nested करें. You can also move along with the no side too. Same thing again. The problem. Okay. Dot dot dot. Condition. Okay. We have two branches. Yes branch का तीनवा. No branch का तीनवा. If it's yes, what do you say? If. If it's no, what do you say? Else. Now in the first example, I went in the yes side. In this example, I can go in the no side. So can I go in both? Yes. I can also go in both the sides also, no problem. Methanath, I can create again two solutions. Yes and no. Yes and no ke liye kiyane mana Raja? If and else. So if the condition is if, you can still say it is solution. Here I can say solution number one, solution number two, solution number three. Now in this scenario, do you all get the idea that in nested solution, you all have lots of solution in there. In if and else, we had only two solutions. So in summary, if I use if and else, you all have two choices. But if you use as nested if and else, you all have n number of choices. N ke liye any number of choices. Like you all don't have specifically make you have n number of choices. Men make idea make a if and else. Here I want you all to put the idea. Like a the concept. If two choices nested you all have multiple choices. Condition will always divide into two branch. Yes and no. Got the idea, concept. Exactly as in many solutions. So I give an example. Okay, we give an example of something called as in terms of two choices. Can you remember Trisha Nayanthara? Okay, Monadiki and we with on Trisha Nayanthara. Okay, mountain beach. Yes and no, true and false. And name okay. Now let us go on. Okay, and go through and see this if and else solution. Okay. May if and else, I got a fun example at okay, people who didn't understand it, they're going on to Google Maps. Okay. In Google Maps, can you all tell me any lane? Okay. Monare golang in lane monare. First one is always yes, exactly as in Zara's gardener. Zara's garden. Okay. Nice. So we're going to pick this person and go all the way of searching, but okay, all the way of searching the road. So we went on the road. The road yeah, I think we can go through. Okay, so we are going on in this road. Okay, okay, uncle, hi uncle. Oh, this auntie is there, no problem. So we go still further. Okay, in this ruin. Okay, in this road till Yama side. Ah, right, nice. Zulu Puela. Zulu Puela. No, we had to go to the main road. Yeah, that's important. The auntie is there, but no problem. Okay. Thought something will happen, but we'll go for the main road. Okay. So we'll go back to the main road in there, to our story. Hold on. How can I put it? Okay. Okay, beautiful. So assume I'm going in the main road right now. Okay. So make basic. Okay, nice. So in this scenario, since I'm going in the main road, okay, I'll be getting a junction. Go junction and okay. Now here, I'm getting a junction. Okay, so I come across an if. I can go either. I can't go in this side. Okay, I can go in this side. If or else. You all want me to select what? If or else here. This is if. Okay, or else we can go for else. Now, if you go on that branch, you can select whatever. So let's go inside here. This is if. Now I'm going further again inside, and I don't have road. The road on the okay. Again, I'm getting two choices: if or else. Did you see in here? Okay, if metana nothing else tino. So I come across a condition each and every time. So when I got a condition, I am selecting okay, let's go in this side. So this is if road munija. Okay, yeah, they are doing pomoteria. Okay, nice. Metana I know. No. Metana love it. Road munija. Okay, yeah. You have multiple choices. Okay, nice. We can go in this side. Okay, again we come across in if and else. Okay, did you see? If you go in the if branch, you can go keep on going dividing by and keep on dividing and dividing and doing. If you go for else part, you can also keep on dividing and dividing and doing through. So the basic idea is okay in this map. Uncle in the past, uncle. Uh-huh. Okay, if it's a Sri Lankan people, in our people, XD uncle will be like in the sarang and everything. Okay, oh, some Google Map have funny Google Map okay, captures. Okay, uncle, auntie, everything will be there. I'm just figuring out. Did Google Map come all the way inside these areas? Huh? Oh, uncle. Uh-huh. Uncle. Uncle, what are you doing? Where are you holding? Very important, uncle. Nombu. Okay, let's go through this. Okay, right. Uncle, she's not there. Okay, तुम्हारा बहुत मुश्किल है अंकल. Where is that uncle? तुम्हारा अंकल. तुम्हारा हो गया बहुत मुश्किल है. तुम very बहुत मुश्किल है भैया. Disappointed. तुम प्यार प्यार Piara. Okay, okay, don't. Okay, coming back again. Okay, so right. So the next thing in here is okay, right. Next thing in here is this is what if and else. Did you get the idea of this if and else how it happens? So if I put it in terms of coding, this is on a structure basis. Okay, shall we do a coding for this one? If condition. What is the solution? Can you all help me out? If condition. Again, there is another condition. Normally we start with if. If again the condition. So if I say this is condition number 2, maybe. Okay. Yes, Sunat, I'll say solution number 1. This else is for who? This else is for the solution condition number 2. Solution number. So did you see? If yes, Suda, it was a condition, we have solution 1 and solution 2. Then we don't have the if part. If part is gone. So how can I go for the no parts? How can I go for the no part, Fatima? Any idea? If else. Exactly. Else. Else scalar, you can say what's solution 3. Now to see that we have already finished this too. If and else we can put end if. End if tells that a branch given. Okay, that branch is finished. So this is a complete one single package. But and if problem condition, that's if you have 2 branches, yes and no. First we have to select the yes branch. Okay, we go for the yes branch. If the condition is yes, amma to do our solution. So condition number 2. And then if I go further below down, if I go further below down, it is saying a condition. So whenever you get a condition, it's an if. Remember, condition ya kaawat, it's an if. Methane, you have two choices again, if and else. If is yes, else is no. Solution one, solution number two. Good. ඊට පස්සේ වෙනම good නෑ. Okay, this part is finished. මේක ඉවර වුණොත් we have to say end if because we have finished that part. ඊට පස්සේ you go for the no side. And then we can also finish the entire end if. So this is the overall one. I'll give you all around a minute for you all to write the same coding for this one also. Basically, if else structure, sorry, programming දැනගන්න ඕන නම් sequence, selection, repetition හරියට මේ තුන ඔළුව තියනවා නම් it's easy. Okay, like how the structure of if else ඒකනේ ගොඩක් අයට mistake. Now you all understand print, you all understand input, you all understand output. The only thing that doesn't go into your head is this if and repetition part. No? So that's what I'm just taking some time for you all to learn here, right? ඒක තමයි පොඩ්ඩක් අර taking little bit of time. We have to make sure you all understand this. Okay. Thank God I'm fasting that I would have taken this water bottle and might have drank water. Okay. Try to do this one here, this side. I have also uploaded the provincial Western and Central Points paper, but any of y'all do have any other papers, it might be useful for others, definitely. Okay, so it might be useful. So we can also share with those people. Because we are going through the yes part now. Okay, let's see. Here, how can I do it? If condition, just follow in the flow. Remember, it should be what? The yes part first. So yes part it says solution one. Now how can I go for the no part then, Rishma? Yes is finished. I have to go for the no part else. But if I go inside else, it says another condition. So how can I create another condition? Again and if nice. Okay, remember for else we don't have a condition. Now for an example, okay, I'll say, okay, if and else, now you don't like there is only one condition is there. A condition you create both if and else. If I ask you all two choices, A or B, you either select A, not B. So you don't need two condition in there. I see some people write again condition here. Okay, really important. For else we don't write condition because that's the no part. It's the opposite. We don't write it. Yeah, well, okay. Many people write it again and again and again. See, for all these questions, I don't write else. Else why? Else is the no part. If it came opposite, so we don't write it. Don't make the mistakes again. We have the condition number two. In this condition number two, if the condition is yes, so you see the indentation. Solution number two and else solution number three. We have to close this burger and then we have to close this burger because we are going to finish this part, make either if a complete if and else comes in, that's finished, and then we have the other. Understood? That's you have an end Rifta, but we are just focusing on if and else. No, so in the man just focusing. So why do we need to write end if and else part? You why don't do we write NDIF under else part? NDIF is where when the both branches are joined together. So if I give you all a visual idea about if and else using flowchart, it would be like this. The visual idea of an if and else would be like this. You have a condition, so it creates two branch in it. Example, the visual idea here, this is the condition. You have yes, that is if. You have no, that is else. Now, a program which has two branches has been divided now. We have to join them. The place we join these two buggers. මෙන්න මේ place එක තියෙන මේ තැන තියෙනවනේ මෙන්න මෙයා. මේක තමයි කියන්නේ අපි end if කියලා. Place where we join this. Okay, that's not end if. We have to join it because the program was going in two branches. We have to take them now together. End else இல்லமா end if தான் சொல்லுவோம். Because we started the condition with if no, so we have to end it with if. So won't we have space in branches? Space now, what is it? I didn't get you. Okay, nice. So this is the overall logic behind if and else. Onatically aganda. Remember, you all have only few more days. So okay, put a serious season. Okay. Yes, you'll have fun, no problem. Already had fun, so now put a serious because when you're even studying, be in a proper place. If you are studying from a couch or something, you don't have the mindset. Okay, you will sleep after the class. You will later ball videos to balaganda. If so, this is the basic condition there. We'll do more questions with papers. Huh? Okay, I'll take the Western and Central Points paper. We'll do it. Yes, it's better you give spaces. Whatever the things inside, if you write it with an indentation, whatever the things inside else, we write it with an indentation. So it's better to give indentation to tell that this is a pair of values with else, this is a pair of values with if. So if के अतुल मुनार थी but indent कर ले लिया ने अतुल कर ला. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you're like, okay, let's go for the next part. Okay, here you don't need to understand it 100%, but logic ke kitame matone. How this if and else working? Why do we get the solution one, solution two? A idea ke vitra kolveti both that atiya. That's not really important. Mostly I will finish ma. Okay, I'll try to finish. If you'll need more programming, I'll do another class also. Completely fine. So the tute is uploaded in the website. No, Raja, we uploaded the tute in the WhatsApp group. Anybody who can upload the WhatsApp group link, I did had the chat in the morning. No, right, Shamik, we can't use no. It should be underscore. Thank you, Shamik. And Pulwan, and Pulwan. Yeah. Okay, good. So, in programming, again, a short, quick summary. Okay, programming, it's all about a language that used to communicate with the computer. In programming, we write set of instructions and tasks. Okay, and when you want to set of write instructions tasks, you have to write a script. You have to write a solution. So that solution we call it as what? Algorithm. Algorithm can be represented in multiple ways. You can use it diagrams to represent your solution. You can use simple English terms to represent your solution. We can use a programming language to represent your solution. So pseudocode, flowchart, and Pascal coding. So when you're recreating your solution, you have to write these three structure: sequence, selection, repetition. Sequence is you find the solution completing and going through one by one. You have only one solution. In selection, you have two choices, A and B. Okay, and in repetition, you have a repeated solution again and again and again. If one of the several steps of algorithm are repeated until the condition is satisfied. We have three types of loop: for loop, while do loop, and repeat until loop. Maybe you have missed this selection part. You might have missed in this sequence part. Focus here under repetition. This is the most important one. So how does this repetition works? Okay, how does this repetition thing works in there? This is set of instruction being repeated again and again. This is set of instructions being repeated again and again. So the selection part draw කරන්න බලන්න. So example, okay, it's like repeating. Now these days, okay, in Ramadan seasons, okay, most of y'all will do lots of tasbihs and okay, dhikr and stuff in there. One of the most famous dhikr, okay, that all of y'all do follow is okay, telling these three words: Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, and Allahu Akbar for 33 times. You do say it in there. So when you tell that in most of the prayers, and if you are about to sleep in night, okay, they used to say in terms of Sahih Bukhari, that's okay, all your sins in terms of how the ocean nikit in a form. I am teaching in Islam right now, no problem. Okay, ocean nikit in a chirda, if you all have done sins, all your sins will be forgiven. We do that dhikr. Okay, people grow, run fast, so we do that. Now let me take that tasbih as an example. Okay. Okay, right. That tasbih. Thank you. Okay, so that tasbih as an example, like gum. In that tasbih, you all tell three things. What are those three things? Okay, Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, and Allahu Akbar. But there is a condition to say it. Okay, how many times you have to tell it? 33 times, and 34 kilo. So that 33 times that you used to say it in there, so you have to repeat it. Okay. Islam. So 5 more minutes to leave. Okay, people who are leaving to school, bye bye. See you all in the recordings. Okay, yeah. See you all in the recordings. Okay, nice. Koheda, I was talking about. Hi. Okay, nice, beautiful. So this tasbih example only I'm going to take it. Okay, so you're going to say this. Okay, the scenario is the case. Why is it not coming? Okay. So will it finish before 7:30? No, pa. We will drag it 7:38 to. Okay, but it's okay. People who do have schools, you all can. But the problem is, I don't know why you all have school. Da. You all have exam in the 3 weeks. Who the hell is doing schools? Okay, these exams are happening. Okay, you are supposed to stay at home and study. Okay, no problem. Okay, am I correct? Spelling is correct. Tasbih. This is the case that we are going to take it. Tasbih are the spelling. I feel. Okay. Okay. THS. H Puttakinde. Right. Nice. Thank you, Raja. Okay. Now the scenario is this. We're going to take Subhanallah 33 times. So in that scenario, what is the condition for this to do this tasbih properly? It should start at the number what? It should end in the number what? And in the middle. start in the middle. So three things are there. So in this tasbih, you start telling this tasbih at what number? Nice tasbih. Okay. From what number we say? Do we start with 0, idiot? Zero. We start by telling 1. Okay. And we end it at 33. Is it okay less than 33 or less than or equal to 33? Which one is it? Is it less than 33 or is it less than or equal to 33? Less than or equal to 33. If I start in 0, less than 33. Why? Because if I start counting numbers from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will end in 4. For an example, Shekha, I'm counting 5 numbers starting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equal, you know. They're different. Okay? I'm starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But I counted 5 numbers, no? See, if I start the number with 0, okay, it would go, okay, one number less. That is a different. So it would end in 32. Did you get it? What is the counter? Subhanallah, 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 Subhanallah. That means what? What is the counter? Counter what is counter? What is counter? What is counter? We just keep on adding how many numbers? Plus 1. Plus 1. This is the counter. So every repetition has a starting point, every repetition has an ending point, and then there is a counter. If without this counter, is it correct? Subhanallah, 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 Subhanallah. This is without the counter. Subhanallah, 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 Subhanallah. Meaning what? We are not increasing the number. It's always 1. But if I started increasing Subhanallah, 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 that's the counter. So the counter, is it important or not important? That is important. Remember, count equal counter plus 1 okay, right. Okay, this is what we have it. Then my question is, if I start the number with 33, can you tell me where it will end? I can also change it and do it, no? If I start at 33, I can end in 66, nice, but we'll go with a different logic. If I start at 33, I can end in 1. Yeah. If I end in 1, what will be the counter then? What is the counter? -1. Did you get it? So the counter change depending on the logic. I didn't help you all. You guys only doing it in there. So the same counter logic make it a repetition. Repetition concept is very simple. But the problem is how you absorb and get it. Like there's a counter. Okay. Then why did you put -1? So that's the logic, sir. That's what I want you all to understand here in programming. Okay. That's what you understand in terms in there. How did you make it? Okay. When you do programming, that means what a logic. So now you all good that, okay, mine so nice. Okay, make it. Now here, I can start tasbih counting in 2 conditions. Okay, I can start. Okay, now did you all get the idea overall in here about this tasbih thing and stuff in there? Make it case tasbih. The condition make. But understood. Happy no? Right. Next one is type of tasbih. Okay, types of tasbih. Tasbih. People who are going Aladakawal, take care, study well, go home, or go to class, Aladakawal school or whatever. Okay, and check the recording, I'll upload it. Okay, right. Types of tasbih. You can start counting from false until the condition becomes true. You can do it. Right? You can start counting from true till the condition becomes false. You can do it. Meaning, I don't have a tasbih, I had one. See here. Right. Okay. So this is what we have it. I can start Right. I can start counting till the condition becomes false. I can start counting till the condition becomes true. So what is that, sir? Example, I'm having a bucket. This tasbih count, I'll tell it in there. Okay, you're counting right now. Is it 33? No. Is it 33? No. Is it 33? No. Is it 33? No. Still not, still not, still not, still not, still not. It became 33? Yes. So you can set the start and the end in both the ways. You can start if the condition is false, and you can end if the condition is true. Okay, are you counting tasbih? Yes. Okay, subhanallah, subhanallah. Did it become 33? No. Did it become 33? No. Did it become 33? No. Till you get 33, till you get yes, you can keep on counting. So two ways are there. Make a example at So you can start counting this tasbih one by dhikr karana puluwang, okay, till you get true, nothing till you get false. Example, okay, we'll go for false. Okay, one other can way. Is it not still 33? No, two words are there. Wording like bucket tag gamuko. Okay, minna me bucket tag. Another example. I'm filling the bucket and I have to fill it up to this. Okay, right. I'm opening the tap. Okay, is it fill? Nah, is it fill? Is it fill the? Nah, 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 nah. Is it fill una the? Tama fill unna, fill unna, fill unna, fill unna, fill unna. Ah, okay, fill una. When the condition becomes true, what happens? It stops. So two types of conditions you can put it. You can start the repetition and you can end when it's true. You can start the repetition, you can end it when it's false. Okay, if you didn't understand this scenario, people who didn't understand. So first one, okay, shape. The type of tasbih velangala sir. People who didn't understand. No problem. Okay, logic ke rame anivaran dagandone. If you do it, easy. Okay, right. Let's see in here. Okay, now I know that I'm starting this. Okay, type of tasbih. Let's see again. Okay, मैंने मेरे तमें tasbih count रहेगा. I'm starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have a condition. Okay, I'm asking you all, did you finish it? No, sir, I didn't finish it. Did you finish it? Okay, I'm asking from you all, can you give me this tasbih for me for a while? You all are saying, sir, mummy, ivara karla dinna. Okay, so then mudichiri tarava. Okay, I was like, okay, no problem. So you keep on counting. Okay, subhanallah, subhanallah, subhanallah. When you will stop counting? When it becomes 33. So I'm asking the question, Raja, did you finish it? No, yes, sir, I didn't finish it. Yes. Okay, Raja, did you finish it? Sir, tam ivara karena, sir. Will you finish it? Tam ivara karena, sir. Did you finish it? Yes. So there is a starting and ending point if the condition becomes false at the beginning, and you will do till it become true. The condition true or not till it becomes false, you can do it. Another example I can say, okay, count 10 times. Okay, you keep on counting the value 10 times in there. Example, is the number value is 10? No. Till it becomes 10, you keep on counting. So you end the repetition when it becomes true. You end the repetition when it becomes false. You can make it in two ways. Example, in this tasbih, we'll do the same thing here. I'm starting with 1. I'm starting with this one. Okay, my example. If I start with 1, it should become start with 1. And you have to end in what? You start in 1, you end in what? 33. You keep on doing the counter till you get 33. So my condition at the beginning should be true or false. Start karanna condition true endone. Is that counter less than 33? True or false? What is the counter value? 1. Okay, is the count, or else is the number total number ke liye muku, the count ke liye muku. Is the count less than 33? Yes. So is it less than 33? Yes, sir. Still are you counting? Yes, sir. Still are you counting? Yes, sir. Did you complete it? Okay. No. Is it finished? Did you pass 33? Okay, you still do it. Okay, when the condition becomes false, it ends. When it will false, when the counter is above 33. You keep on counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When the counter is less than 33, you keep on counting. But the moment that the counter is greater than 33, you stop counting. Did you get the idea? Okay, you stop when the counter becomes 33. That means this condition begins when it's true, ends when it's false. Did you get the idea here? This type of repetition begins when it's true, ends when it's false. Make him pass, I'll give you a break, okay? Right? Make a tava condition okay? You start and you end. You start with maybe we'll say 1, you end in 33. In here, this condition 33 and 1. Here, this condition begins when the condition is false, ends when it's 3. I'm starting with 33, subhanallah. Then 32, subhanallah. 31, subhanallah. 30, subhanallah. Okay, 29, subhanallah. Okay, 28, subhanallah. So I'm decreasing my value. Okay, and counter is less than -1? No, counter is still 30. Is counter is less than -1? No. So you will keep on doing it till the condition becomes true. When the counter becomes 1, you stop. As I said, you can go from 1 to 33 or you can go from 33 to 1. So there are two ways you can go. So there are two ways I can start and stop. I can start when the condition is true. I can stop when the condition is false. I can start when the condition is false. I can stop when the condition is true. Did you all get the idea? My two concept of how this tasbih happens. Tasbih story. Okay. People who didn't get the idea still, little bit confusing again. So 1 to 33 falls to true. Other one you can customize in there. I'm setting the alarm. Okay, I'm setting the alarm. Okay, I'm setting the alarm till 5:30. Okay, we'll say there is a fan. Okay, I do the fan correctly? We'll take a fan. I'm setting the fan timer for 2 hours. My question is, okay, for 2 hours, the fan, okay, at right now the time is 8 a.m. 2 hours, now 9, 10, 10 a.m. My question in here is, the fan will work, the fan will start when it becomes 8 a.m. It will end when it becomes 10 a.m. The fan will keep on repeating when the condition becomes 8. 2 hours the no. 2 hours the no. What is the time right now? Is it 2 hours? Not yet. If it becomes 2 hours, it will stop. Meaning what? When the condition, so is it hours kilagamuko? Hours, is it 2 hours? Question mark at hours 2 hours the kilahano. When may condition true unot, it will stop. May condition false unot, it will keep on working. Did you get the idea? Okay, so make it a lesson the gun and lesson. Okay, while loop and repeat until loop. So there is this condition. Okay, if is it 2 hours? That's what we have it. So if the condition is true, it will repeat. If the condition is false, it will repeat. So there are two types of repetition we come across majorly. So when you are going through with what false to true, okay, make a example. What does true and false means in 91 and 0 pa? Okay, if you are starting your condition when it's false, if you are starting your condition is true, okay, we have two types of repetition. For example, okay, I have this water bottle. I want to refill it. So I go to the tap and I open the tap. Okay, I'm asking the question, is it full? That's the condition. What is the condition? It should be full. So you open the tap when it's full or empty. Is it full? Yes or no? If I ask the question, is it full? You have two answers, yes or no. So you open the tap when it becomes yes or no. No. Again, people who need to understand, focus here. Okay, I have this water bottle. I don't know whether it's visible. Hurry, visible. I'm opening the tap by asking you a question. Okay, is it full? You have two answers, yes or no. You open the tap if the condition is no. You close the tap if the condition is yes. Did you get it? Okay, there is a repetition. You can repeat something again and again. If the condition is yes, also you can repeat it if the condition is no. Logic ke dekat tino. So make yes unot repeat karana tiyan pulo, no unot repeat karana tiyan pulo. So that is what here coming in. Okay, that's how we are coming into this section. Okay, up questions karamu. Okay, here mainly get the logic. Okay, repetition at because if you get the logic, it's easy for me to explain. So there is a repetition which repeats when the condition is true and ends when the condition is false. We call it as while do loop and for do loop. There is a condition, it repeats when the condition is false and it stops when the condition is true. Repeat until loop. So we have two categories of loop. Loop is something you repeat it. With the example of Tasbi, I did the example in there. Tawa example එක කොහොමද? Alarm එකක් ගත්තොත් alarm will work. Okay. Alarm will work if the condition is true or false. We'll take an alarm. Alarm will ring if the condition is true or false. It will end when the condition is, when you set an alarm for 5 hours. True, no? That's it. Nice. Alarm will end when it becomes true. Okay, still I didn't teach you all about while loop and everything. We'll do it later. Okay, dry run up among lesson take a pitch karanna. But make it did you all understand this? Charging the mobile phone. Good. Okay, you charge the mobile phone till it becomes full. Is it full? Yes. My question is it full? Yes or no? Yes, no. Yes or no. So the condition stops when if the answer becomes, the loop stops when the condition becomes yes. So overall getting the idea, no? Now you are able to like grab it, okay? Okay, I was thinking in different ways, okay? So I can do the same thing again and again if the condition is yes, also when the condition is false. That's why we have two types of loop, while loop and repeat until loop. Programmers can use whatever the logic can do it. Happy? Now this is almost 80% of the syllabus. Okay, here we have to do questions and understand. Directly questions. Let's have a break. Okay, for another 15 minutes. Okay, okay, and then we'll come back again at 7:30. A small break in there. So 7:30 patangana. We'll do some questions and we'll see. Okay. So drinking water break. Okay. Water break now. Just go out and relax and go out and just come and yeah. So let's have a small break and then we take again at 7:30. Yeah. Right. If I execute this simple command in it, okay, maker in terms of a dry run, what is the answer? Now, if it's a very simple logic, but let me teach you all the proper way of writing the answer. Now, this kind of a scenario, they will give it to you all. A dry run is basically executing the code. You all can execute the code easily, but you all have to know the logic. So how can you go through is you go from top to bottom. and find the answer. So we create columns for each and every values. So what is the value of x when I start in the second line? X will be 5. What is the value of y then? Any idea? What is the value of y? 10. What is the value of z? 15. So first three lines are okay. They say, hey, we are replacing the value of x. The x value will be updated. That is z plus y. Z plus y will give you 25. So the new value of x is 25. So when you print, the values of answers are, what are the answers? 25, 10, 15. Did you all understand this? Make a dry run simply executing the code and identifying how to revise the answer. Right. You all had the examination. I think some Western people, Western points paper, did they had their exams, and also the Central Point students also had the exam. Mama group picky papers dekamadamma. Okay. Have a look in there too. And if you all are supposed to go through in that. Mang a paper wala, I will take the programming related questions and we'll discuss it. That'll be nice. Okay, we'll take programming related questions and we'll discuss it under dry run. So here are the some of the screenshots from programming related question. So can we choose any number? Any number? In this scenario, we can choose any number because I did a simple example. Okay, but depends on question to questions. Okay, right. Let us try the MCQ question. Usually, how many questions are there in MCQs? But how many questions are there in MCQ per year? How many questions you have to get? Mostly around 6 or A level 12 questions will be there. So we're going to discuss the entire paper. I said you're 80% hour. Okay, so these are some of the questions from snips from snippet. Okay, snippet from the Central Points paper. Minute. Okay, so this is a couple of snippets from the Central Points paper. 2023. Okay. When the 2024 paper, how many MCQs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do get 8 marks from this. How many questions you get it in there? 10 marks. So totally how many marks? Out of 100, 18 marks are being given allocated for programming. It's also a simple lesson. Because these are this programming is the lesson which gives you highest number of marks. I'll help you all how to do it. Okay, up young one by one. Okay, learning on how to do these answers and go through in there. Okay, doing programming question is the easiest one, not risky. It's easy. We'll do. We'll take a scenario. Let's take question number 28. Make you understand how is it when 4 greater than 4 greater than or equal to 4 and not 7 greater than equal to 7 is evaluated. What is the answer? Shall I give you all a time for you all to do a little bit? Put Dakkaranda Volume question number these two. Some megadamma gala answer sticker. Malanda. We'll take these two. All right. See here. When okay, 4 greater than less than. In greater than less than, do you get the answer numbers or do you get true or false? If you do Greater than, less than, what is the output you do get it usually? True or false? I mean, is 4 greater than or equal to 4? It's true. And not kill again monada. Not gate. Not gate monada karane usually. Opposite take a. So 7, is it greater than or equal to 7? True. But මෙයාගේ opposite එක මොනවාද? False. Okay. එතකොට true and false. This is like an AND gate. In an AND gate, true represents what? In an AND gate, true represents usually 1. Okay. False represents 0. In an AND gate, it's like multiplication. If you send 1 and 0, you get 0. That means what is the answer? False. Okay. Simple. Question. So here I'm teaching you all on how to approach questions, different types of questions are teach. So I'll do the discussion for another half an hour to 45 minutes. Can't it be 0? No, pa. Normally in true and false, you do get true and false. I mean, operational, conditional operation, your output is always true and false. 1 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. That is calculation. These answers are in terms of calculations. Right. Okay. From Pascal product okay. Because we didn't do Pascal, we'll do question number 29. Okay. So how to do this question? So do question do you all see this question all the time, most of the time in papers? True, no? You all see this question. Okay, yeah, but still you are not able to do it. Now we have this program in it. This is what type of a repetition? Repeat until repetition. So I said you all in a repetition type of tasbih, there are two types. When the condition is true until it becomes false, we have a type of a condition. When the condition is false, till it becomes true, it will repeat. There is a type of a condition. If you have written the note, what type of repetitions comes from true to false? Which starts when it's true and which ends when it's false, what is it? Start when it's true, start when it's true. While do loop is this. It starts when the condition is false and ends when the condition is true. Now, repeat until. So we are selecting the second one. So we have to start if the condition is false. Right. Let's make a column, dry run. X will be a column, Y will be a column. This is the repeat statement. Y is already there. Print will be a column. And until will be a column. It's a condition. Okay? It's a condition. Right. Let's put it. It's a repetition. Tasbih marathon. What is the starting value of this repetition? X is 0. Can you tell me the value of Y? Let's do it. Okay. Okay. That's 3. Done. All okay. Nice. Repeat, which means that is a repeating statement. Y equal X plus 2. What will be the new value of Y now? That's going to be 5. It is the updated value. How, Amit, you got 2? Okay. X plus 2. Already the value of X, hold on. And it should be 2, no? 5 are they? Hold on. What is the new value of Y? It will be 2, no? 2. Yeah, 5. Why did you get 5? I wrote it 5. How did I get 5? You all add with 3 plus 2. It's 2. Because the value of X is how much? Still 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Got it? Already. Y equal X plus 3. So Y's value will become 3. Okay. Yeah, X not Y. We have been doing. It was a print X. What is the value of X? What is the value of print X? X ki value 0. Okay, 0. Okay, is x less than 25? True or false? Can you tell me? Is true or false? True. So my question is, in a repeat until loop, the condition stops when it becomes true. See, in a repeat until loop, it has become true, so it ends. That's it. Okay, that's it in there. So what is the most suitable answer? What is the incorrect about this? The first output is 2. The first output is, this is incorrect. The last output is 5. Incorrect. The loop stops when the condition is true. This is correct. The value of x will be displayed. So we have 2 answers for this. So how did you find this is a repeat until loop? The word see, repeat until. It is a repeat until loop. Easy, no? Okay, may I questions past papers each and every thing try to learn it. Okay, repeat until loop. Now you all know. So while loop upcoming questions will do a while loop. So we have 2 answers for this. The first output will be 2. No, it's not 2. So there are 2 answers. Yeah. Okay. First and second both are correct. Let's see. Okay. Now check it out. In this, x ki value is 0. Now how did you find the answer? Okay, that's the next thing. Okay. Now we did this loop. No. Let's see, Shafia. What is the incorrect statement about the output? So we did the code. Okay, we got the print 0 and it was repeated only once. The first output is 2. What is the output of the code? What is the output? 0. Is it 2? No. The last output of the code is 5. What is the output? We got it. Only one output away. That's also 0. So both of them are wrong. The loop stops when the condition is true. Repeat until loop ends when it's true. Yes. The value of x will be displayed. Did we display the value of x? Yep, no. So we have 2 answers here. Terna the maker. Still making it. Okay, little by little we'll learn. Okay, no problem. Start sabr. Okay, make one with it liaganda pull. While loop emo, put emo. Okay, still figuring out. Okay, now you're a little bit interested. Maybe when you started getting the idea, now you're doesn't have patience. Okay, so you want to do everything now faster. Hold on, but getting a hemming here. There is Shamik. Thank you for sharing, Shamik. Nice, Shamik. You have shared the Eastern Province paper. So we have Eastern Province, Western Province, Central Province. Good. Okay. So we got all the provincial papers also. Good. Arda, whatever you all have written. Let's go for the next question. Right. Now we have this question here. This is a past paper question they have taken. Exactly. Here they have given the flow chart for us. Using the flow chart, we have to answer 33, 34, 35. Okay. Make an arrays. Okay, make a tama but then arrays is also very simple stuff. Make a logic here before state focus. What is the output of the flow chart if x equal 22, y equal 30? So if I write the code x and y, what is the value of x and y, Raja? I want you all to answer. Okay. Yeah. Paper and chat what is the value of x and y for me to do the question number 33? I'll help you all. Second and third question, you all are going to do it. That's going to be 22 and 30. Okay. Ita passe, we come to this condition. What is this condition? Is the condition true or false? Can you tell me? Is x less than y? Is x, which is 22, is it less than y? Yes or no? it becomes no. So Ehemanang, go to this flow. What is the value of x and y? Display x and y. What is the value of x and y? X is 22, comma 30. So got the answer. So you did the easiest answer. Obviously, the next line will be the difficult answer. It was a hard answer. No problem. Okay, simple. X equal z. एक map करना. If I say x equal 5, x will become 5. If I say 5 value will come to x. If I say x equal y, y की value x will know. Okay, right. Second and third question करना बालू. Ton, ta ta tong, ta tong, ton, ton, ton. Do it slowly, yeah? Confused again now? Wait until I'll help you. Really happy if you guys can do the question. Is it only one answer in Papa? Two answer. Let's see. Okay, the second one. Okay, again. What will be the output of the flow chart if x is 10, y is 20? So we are doing the second one. Shabnam, what is the answer? Pa? Third option. Let's see. Right. Let's see the condition. So can you tell me, is the condition true or false? True, you know. So then you have to go in the left side. Right. Z equal y, which means you will have another column called Z. And Z the value equal 5, so now Z will become 5. Z equal 10 it will become 10. If I say Z equal x, Z equal y, Z will become the value of x or y. So what will be the answer of Z then? 20. People who didn't understand that, okay, if I say Z equal 10, you put 10. If I say Z equal 20, you say 20. If I say Z equal y, it is the value of, okay, y. Nice. Y equal x, y equal 10, y equal 5, y equal x, it will become the value of x, that will become 10. X equal z, 20. Print x comma y, so my answer is 20 comma 10. Awesome. So it just swap it. X comma y, 20 comma 10. Second option is 20 comma 10. Harade? Harade? Yeah, okay, done. Thank you. Why people got second option 2020? Shall we do it again? Okay. Okay. Each and every question, make sure you allow doing it perfectly. Okay. No problem. No problem. Okay. 10 questions karat. Hari karamu. Ogalam pisur atla dibbo tamai atal din dibbo. Ogalam ge tamai atal din. Okay. You all confused in there. If you all have made very careless mistakes. Should I do it again? Or else I'll give a time for you all to do it. Okay, people who have got this correct, you all focus on the next question. Mama, my question is I karanna. Okay, I'll do this question again. People who didn't understand, focus here. Right? Okay. People who have got it correct, do the question number 35. Okay, let's see. What is the output of the flow chart if x equal 10 and y equal 20? Pakka correct, Huda? Okay. Is x less than y? Is x is less than 20? Yes. What is the first thing we come across? Z equal y. If I say Z equal 5, you put 5 here. Z equal 10, you put 10 here. Z equal y, you put the value of y, which is 20. 20. Nice. Good to go. Awesome. Second one, y equal x. What is y equal x? Y equal 2, y equal 3, y equal 4. In that manner, y equal x ke liye what? Y will become the value of x. Awesome, great. Azan, got it? Nice. Third one, x equal z. X equal 10. So why wouldn't x become the value of y? No, no, no. See, Raja. X equal 5, so we put the value of 5 to x. In IT, this is how it goes. It becomes 10. If I say max than, that's different. Don't compare with max here. If I say x equal to a, the value of a comes here. IT wala mehe from the right hand side, it goes to the value of left hand side. In mathematics, both of them are equal. That's a different color. That's totally different story. Okay. X equal z, z के value है कि external. So your answer is 20. Second one ने क्या answer? Third one ने क्या answer कुणाल है? So I'm actually able to do programming, sir, now. See? So I'm happy, sir. Happy about me, sir. Right. What will be the value of x and y when it's 10 and 10? Okay. Is 10 less than 10? True or false? Is 10 less than 10? No. 10 and 20. No. Oh, 10 and 20. No. Sorry. 10 and 20. Is 10 less than 20? Is 10 less than 20? So we have already done. Okay. Make a damot, may I yes venava, may I 20 venava, may I 20 venava, may I 10 venava. It's the same thing. Exactly. So what will be the value of Z? The value of Z is 20. Yeah, it's the same thing. We don't need to do it. It's the exact same thing. Happy? Happy. True. Nice. Beautiful. Okay. So it's not hard. So little by little, you are learning on every perspective. First, we learned on the repeat until section. I repeat until out. Now we learned in flowchart. It's all about you slowly get the answer. Okay. Okay. It's all about how you get the logic. Okay. Make questions. I'll keep it aside. Okay. Arrays ke liye section let's go for this. So get up atale by no, it's easy. Okay. The questions of Kuma, super easy. It's how you get it in there. Don't worry. Okay. I'll help you. Nick sir, he's there. Nick sir is there. Total help karo. Okay. Right. I'll do two answers. एक तीला वाला गणित map करेगा. Okay. And I'll give a time. So this is a part 2 question. Part 2 question, solid 10 to 15 marks. How web development anchor tag, href, h1, bold, italic, it's just a simple matter of getting the answer. So I'll do A, B, C in a perfect manner. A story ka maan lagi na hoga lang yan. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, H. Nah. Okay. What is the story here? A student is designing a flowchart to check whether the student have normal temperature before entering the class. So he checks the temperature. Nice. There are 35 students in this class. So total package here. Total is 35 students. So you have to check for 35 students. Get the tasbih. How many times you have to repeat and check the temperature? Tasbih. How many times? 35 times. I understood. Easy. Okay, the temperature of each student should be input in degrees Fahrenheit to the program. The normal temperature lies between 97 Fahrenheit to 99 Fahrenheit. So the program will say if the temperature lies between 97 to 99, normal. If the temperature is below 97, low temperature. If the temperature is above 99, fever. Okay, you start. Any idea what is this SNT? SNT that is student. So this is for one student you are checking. एक स्टूडेंट का चेक करना मेरे තමයි चेक करना एक स्टूडेंट එකට. Okay, මේක එක ස්ටුඩන්ට් එකට check කරනවා. How many students should you check? For 35 number of students. So every branch will have two branches. Yes and no. Do you all agree? There are two branches. Yes and no. So I will say this is yes. And I'll say this is no. Or else you can change it also. You can say this is yes and no. Depending on the condition, you can change it. Do you all want me to write G yes or no? Which one? Let's go for yes, no. That's the best one. We'll go for yes and no. Right. Okay. You check for how many number of students? 35. So you end the tasbi when it becomes 35. So how will be the condition? When is the student count? Okay. 35. Which sign should I put? Less than or greater than? You end when it when? You end the tasbih. You end the tasbih when it becomes equal to the nothing greater than the. You're counting the tasbih from 1, you end in 35. So how do you say? You stop when it's 35. How do you put it? Student count. If I put greater than 35, is it correct? Is student count is greater than 35? Yes, because greater than the most kachal very why student count greater than 35. Yes, so not you take the temperature. It should be obviously less than. So student count less than 35. Now I have a problem. Is it less than 35 or equal to 35? Or is it 36? Oh, see, I'll count the tasbih from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 30, 31, 32, 33. Should I include 33 or should I exclude it? I should include. Is it equal or not equal? Equal. Done. So we are starting with 1. If I start in 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 33. Should I include or exclude it? Exclude. Did you all understand the story? So when it becomes 1, I have to include this 35 too. So this is the condition. Condition to get the count. G is yes and H is no. Nice. Say we are taking the temperature of the student. Say you have to check the temperature and there are two outputs. 3 outputs are there. D, E and F. What are these? These are output. So what are the output? 1, we have it as low temperature, normal temperature, fever. Okay, you can do the program from bottom to top yandat pulwan, top to bottom yandat pulwan. Either way you can have it. So we'll do it in this way. Okay, we'll make it this one. I'll do it as normal. Output normal. May I give output low. May I give fever. So if it starts with 0, it should be less than 35. Yes, Huda. Nice. Now, here it should become no. So can you calculate the condition to output normal, and it should be false also. මේක true දැම්මොත් තමයි easy නේ. මේ කෝඩ් එක මේක true දැම්මොත් අපිට easy. අපිට මාරු කරලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. but h එක ඒගොල්ලන් tally කරලා තිනවා. true දැම්මොත් it's easy no. false දානවට වඩා true දැම්මොත් it's easy. මම opposite side එකට පොඩ්ඩක් යන්නම් ඈ. මෙයාව අපි yes කරමු. then it will be easy for us to understand the answer. Yes and yes and yes. So මෙයාව yes කරනවා නම් I have to change this a bit. And මෙයාව පොඩ්ඩක් මාරු කරලා greater than or equal to. මෙයාව no කරමු. Okay. Just changing a bit in there. So it's opposite gunner. So my question here now comes in this. Okay. It's the same thing. We are still going in the same thing. Nothing changes. Only thing is I change from yes to no. Okay. Yes to no marukara. So that it's easy for us to understand that it will be getting sakablas, no and yes. So my question. This is my question. We have to fill this B. You have to tell me an equation. Okay. To print normal when the temperature is in between. So kohomada in between balanne. Okay, when the temperature is between 97 and 99, eka yes sunot no window. So can you write the equation and give it to me? What is an equation, sir? Like how? Temperature greater than 97 and something like that. So tell me an equation how to do it. This equation you will check. A equation check karla. If it's true, you will print normal. If it's true, you will print normal. So that equation. So what is the equation? See, this is an equation. Student number greater than 35. Temperature less than. So here the condition is this. You have to fill this. So can you come up with the condition for me? Nice, Rahna. Any others? Shabnam, any idea? Lena, Hina, no? Hina, good. Okay, potta ka bihada lagamu. Afifa, there are two things to consider, ma. 97 nicking udat wendone, 99 nicking pallaya wendattone. So you have to combine both. You cannot only check in one. Lamha, it's kind of you got the logic, but podda varadi. Rishma, nice. Ashba, good way, nice. So you all got the idea. People are getting the idea, nice. So you have to output normal when this condition becomes true. So how can I put it into words? I can do it like this. But make it the correct way. Temperature should be greater. Lies between temperature should be greater than or equal to 97, and the temperature should be less than or equal to 99. You have to do it. This is how we write it in IT. Maxwell Abilino, Maxwell Abiliane 97 greater, temperature less than 99. That's how we write in Max. Okay, but in IT we write the equation like this. Temperature should be greater than 97 and less than 99. So if you got this one, can you help me how will be C? You have to output low temperature. That is below 97. Yeah, ma, because we are taking the temperature, no? See? Because you have to check with the temperature. Nice, Rahna. Good answer, correct. Hina, right? Hina, we don't see C use paramatum. C use panapila because there is nothing called C. Good, Farhan. Shakira, good. Below, no? Below. Pardon, below. Normal temperature on the below. Yeah, it's below. Safa, check, it's below. Not greater, no? You will print low temperature when it's below. So all of you are using the wrong sign. Abna, nice, good, correct. Safa, can you change it again? Rishma, nice. Should I include 97 also? Or should it be excluded? 97 include current or exclude current? Senara, nice, good, correct. Exclude Panompa. We have to exclude. Ashba, not 7. 97. Nice, nice. Okay. Any others? Reply. No problem. Okay. I'm replying all of y'all. Okay. Farhan, nice, good, correct. Lamha, should I include 97? If your temperature is 97, is it normal or low? May condition game little bit of logic and IT should exclude exactly. Okay. Afif, okay. Should I include 97? If my temperature pulse is okay 97 now, it should display okay. Here no இது இல்லம்மா இது பில இது சும்மா சைன் ஒன்று தந்திக்கிறாங்க இது சும்மா சைன் ஒன்று தந்திக்கிறாங்க ஓகே இது வேற so here how will be the answer if it's 97 it's normal yeah exactly so how it will be temperature gudakaya greater than them that's wrong temperature less than 97 where do I have D link A B C D output normal even the output low so obviously if the temperature is not between 97 and 99 if the temperature is not between less than 97 now obviously output what fever a complete package more than getting the answer did you get the logic how to develop in there you don't need to see the last part why because you have three condition okay this is how it goes you have three condition if the first one is also not okay if the second one is also false now obviously third one the answer so you don't need to see it got the logic conditions not tino we are checking on three things in there okay tunak tinawa first one ne varadinang second one ne kat varadinang obviously third one is the answer no so ekada bi condition ne danne normally we don't put it when the temperature is greater than 99, it's fever. Exactly. Balanda now, you have the student, you get the temperature from the student. If the temperature is between 97 nang, you will output normal. Ehemanatang, you will see whether the temperature is less than 97. Ehemanang, you output low. Ehemat natang, dekamanatang, you say fever and you go for the next student. So this is the next student. Student n equals student plus 1 kilowatt. Next student. You go for the next student. For the next student, again you see the number of students are they correct? Okay, you take the temperature and you go through. So can we exchange the condition B and C? Perfectly, you can do it. Good question, Rishma. No problem in there. Okay, so when you do the question, first step is okay, get the output. That's how I did it. Output condition determine current. You can say output normal, output low, output fever. That's how I took it. Keep a note and do it as a homework. Output low, output normal, output fever. Output fever, output low, and normal. Like you can swap. You can swap these values. You have, I think, 1, 2. How many answers? How many answers you will have? 1, 2, 3. You will have 6 different answers will be there here. Different answers, 6 different types of answers will be there. Happy? Understood? Clear? Say, okay, by doing this question, sir, understood, got it. Megatamai, we come across in it. Happy, good, nice. Okay, so isn't student is greater than 35? No, pa, we did, we changed it. Equal varade. Equal endine. I kila kiwat khuda because we have to include the 35th student also. No? Okay, my question is in here. We have to include the 35th student. So if the student count is 35, if student is greater than or equal to 35, you know, yes or not, stop, you know. Yes or not, it will stop. That's why I didn't put equal. Because I have to include it. I have to make it no. Nice. So that's under the first phase of our programming. Okay. Do you all want me to continue this series on another day also with more questions with arrays included in there? Awesome, great. Okay. එහෙනම් අපි time table එක පොඩ්ඩක් මාරු වෙනවා මං හිතන විදියට. Okay. So I have already scheduled it to do spreadsheet on next week. අපි එන එක week එකක් ඔක්කොම දාමු. මං ආයෙ 10 දන්නම්. එතකොට මේකේ second day arrays and more past papers I will do it on next Wednesday. Arrays I'll do it. Arrays and past paper questions පොඩ්ඩක් කරමු. Okay. Okay. Other this is candy. How about this is the candy paper. We had the provincial also. Loop is over. Loop is over. Shall we have a normal small session to discuss this other provincial papers also, like 1 hour? I'll give you all time to do it. Okay, so what we will do it is we'll have like a 1 hour session to cover up the other provincial papers. It will be good, no? Like 1 hour. I'll do it from 5 to 6. No need to put a poll. I'll just do it. You all do it. Okay. So you all do it. Okay. So nice, beautiful. Okay. Today I'll do it. I'll upload in the group. Okay. So I'll give you a time. So take a small break. Okay. If you're asleep, you go and sleep. Take a break, and then after the work, you all do it in there. I'm really happy. So I want to tell you something. Okay, we have only a few more days. Okay. Saw a beautiful quote, so just wrote it in there. Life, fella, there are two choices, like if and else. Hate and love, both has 4 words. Okay, you might have seen this this quote. Okay, cry and joy. Okay, basically you have 3 words. Both has 3 words in it. Negativity and positivity, both has 10 words. Lying and truth, both has 5 words. Okay, being an enemy and being in friendship, friends are also both has 7 words. Not only that, failure and success both have 7 words in there. So in life, we have choices in there. It's all about which word that you are going to select. Okay, you all can be successful or you can be failure also. Okay, let us. Okay, behind be in there. So select what is you wanted in there. It can be failure or successful. Both has 7 letters. You select in which letter do you want to be. Okay, with that regards, few more days. Okay, study well. April vela, you all have to do on more papers. So as from my side, I'll be doing the help. Okay, as all over that you all have been with us throughout in there. Those who all have been not with us also, no problem. Welcome to the family of Team Maestro. Okay, nice in there. So another call, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Until then, much love to all of you all. Okay, spread the word and see you all in the evening session. 1 hour session. Then 1 hour session and I'll keep you all updated. Bye. 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 Bye.